Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful rose seed beads earrings. They're really easy to make, they're like a beginner's level tutorial, and I'm sure with my step-by-step instructions you will be able to make them by yourself. Here for these ones I use really simple stuff, only seed beads, some type of ear wires. Here I use fireline, but you could use different type of thread and go reinforcing them. So if you like what I'm showing you here, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos. In this way you will be notified when I release matching jewelries to the ones that I have already done, and you will be able to make beautiful sets for presents or for yourself. For example, I have a matching bracelet to these earrings and I will link it here at the eye icon so you will be able to see it. And you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action. If you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, you could share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. You could check also my store, which is down there in description, and in this way you will help my channel. And now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so what I need for this video are really simple stuff. I need only 11 ounce seed beads. You could use 10 ounce of course if you want, and I'm using ear wires, and I made one of my earrings and I'll leave it stay here as a pattern to use it as a pattern. And here I use fireline, that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. I think this works better with fireline because if you make it with nylon thread you could go several times reinforcing it, and if you make it with monofilament you will also have to go around the edges to reinforce it. That is why I prefer to use fireline, but it will work with the other type of threads, just more work. Okay, so now I'm using size 10 beading needle, scissors, and this is all. Now I'm going to take about half an arm span of thread on my needle and I'll be back. Okay, and I'm going to start by picking up 12 seed beads. Okay, and I have my 12 here. Here they are. And now I'm going to slide them down. I will stick my needle in my mat and here I'm going to make a knot. Okay. Then I'm pulling. Then I'm going to make one more knot. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is go through some beads in this direction. And I will take 3 seed beads. Okay, I have my 3. I will skip 1 seed bead and go through the following. I'm going to pull here. I like working with fireline. Okay, then I'm skipping the following and going again here. 3, skip 1 and go through the following. Then 3 more and skip this. And then 3. Then again 3. Okay, and go here through the last bead. Now guys, this is what I have. Then I'm going here through these 2 beads, exiting out of the top bead of my work, and I'm going to take 5 seed beads. Okay, in this row I have 5. First I had 3, now 5, and I'm going through all of the angle beads here. Okay, 5, going through the angle bead, 5 again, okay, and I'm going to continue this until the end of this row. Okay, and pay attention here at the last step. You should go here. Don't go here or here. You should go here. Some people make the mistake to go through different bead at this step. Okay. Now, what I want to do here is go through 3 beads in this direction, okay? And when I go through 3 beads, you see I'm exiting out of the central bead. Here I have 1, 2, 1, 2, and this is the middle one. This one is the middle one of my 5, okay? And I'm going to take 7 this time. And here I have my 7. And as I'm exiting from this angle bead, I'm going through this angle bead, which is again the middle one. 2 beads, and this is the middle of my 5, the middle one of my 5. And now here I have 7. So I'm expanding with 2 beads in every step. 3, 5, 7. Okay, 7 again. Going through the middle bead. If you're not sure which is the middle, count 3 from here. Okay, and I'm going to continue this until I finish this row. I will add 7 beads everywhere. Okay, and pay attention where you go here. Don't go through this or through this one. Go through the angle bead of your previous row, okay? Then what I want to do here is go this time through 4 beads because I want to exit out of my middle bead. You see? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is the middle one. You should go through 4 beads from here to go out of the middle bead. Okay, I have my 9 here. I have my 9 beads here. And what I do is that I go through this middle bead. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th one is my middle bead. If you're not sure, just count. Okay. Now I need 9 beads again. Okay, 9. Go through the 4th, which is the central. And continue this until the end of this row. Okay guys, and now this is my last step, and don't forget to go to the angle bead of your previous row. Okay, and I'm pulling. Now you see, when you use fireline, you could go only one more time around your work and everything will stay nice and tight. But if you use nylon thread or monofilament, sometimes you might want to go several times to make your work look nice. If you don't have fireline, you could still make it, don't worry. Okay, and I'm going here through all of my beads. Okay, I will make one full circle, and when I'm up to here, I will be back to show you how to attach your earwire. Okay guys, and I went around with my thread here, and what I need to do is go 5 beads from this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way, I'm in the middle bead. I have 4 beads here, 4 beads here, and this is the middle one. And here is where I'm going to add my ear wire. Okay, I'm taking my ear wire. Now I will take one seed bead, go through my ear wire, slide those down, and then I will take one more seed bead, slide it down as well, like this. And what I do is that I go back through this central seed bead, and I have this. Okay, seed bead, ear wire, seed bead, slide down and go back in circle. That's all. Now I'm going to reinforce this. Okay guys, and now this is what I have, and I will go here through these 3 beads, and I'm here at the angle, and what I'm going to do is make a knot, make a loop, and go twice through this loop you made and pull. Then you could repeat this step several more times. When you're ready, go through the following seed bead and then cut your thread, and now your earring will be ready. Okay guys, and now my golden rose seed beads earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit that bell button and never miss a new tutorial for fresh beading ideas. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page. You could also really help me by sharing and commenting. And you don't know how much you help me only with this action, so I will appreciate it so much. I will answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget that when you change colors, you could have so many other different variations of this work. So that was all from me. Bye bye.